Welcome to the Mac video on Earthwork Record System Project Maintenance for Program Maintenance users. The video describes how to create, update, and delete an ERS project. These functions are performed by a Program Maintenance user, also known as a PMU, because they associate companies to the ERS project. You must be in your system roles and have the role of Program Maintenance user to create an ERS project. From the Mac home screen, select the Earthwork Record System menu option, then select the Earthwork Record System submenu option. You will be navigated to the ERS project screen. Mac defaults to the last ERS project you worked on. To create a new ERS project, select the Create New ERS Project option. A Create New ERS Project dialog box appears. Enter a financial project ID in the Financial Projects field and select it from the returned list. An ERS project can be for more than one financial project ID if they are on the same contract. It is a best practice not to assign more than one financial project ID to an ERS project, even though Mac allows it. When there is more than one financial project ID assigned, it can cause issues with samples on the ERS project. Select the logbook type from the logbook type drop-down list for the first logbook. At least one logbook type must be selected to create the ERS project. Once an ERS project is created, QC data entry can add more logbook types as needed. For any logbook type that is designated as ESB, which is all the logbook types except for drainage, the name field is optional. Select the Add Logbook indicator to get more fields to create additional logbooks. When more than one logbook of the same type is selected, the name field becomes required on the logbooks with the same type. Enter the name of the QC company in the Companies field and select it from the returned list. As soon as you select the first company, another field will appear. Continue selecting all the companies until all QC, VT, and the District Materials and Research Office are selected. More than one company can be selected for each level. By each company, select the company indicator, QC, VT, or IA. Select the Save option to create the ERS project. Once the PMU creates the ERS project, it is open for any data entry in any of the QC companies to begin to create plots. At this point, it is not the responsibility of the ERS PMU to update or delete the entry. The only reason you might need to update an ERS project is to add a company and assign their company level or remove a company. QC data entry cannot make updates to the company assignments. To update an ERS project, select the Update icon. It looks like a pencil. An Update dialog box appears. Add, update, or delete the information as needed, and select the Save option. An ERS project can be deleted by a PMU, in some cases even after samples have been created. Select the Delete ERS Project option. A Delete ERS Project dialog box appears with a warning that if samples exist, they will not be deleted. Samples can still be accessed on the sample screen. Select the Delete option. The ERS project will be deleted. This concludes the Mac video for ERS Project Maintenance for PMUs. Thank you for reviewing the training. If you need assistance with Mac, please contact your local district application coordinator.